Hi everyone! So this is part 2 of my last video on how to properly write an email. So I'm going to go over all the features of actually writing an email. So if you see here, we see recipients. So we are going to, let's say do 123@gmail.com. That's who I'm sending my email to. And the subject, let's say, is homework help. And I put my name. Okay, and then like I said, let's say we type in the message, hello, Mrs. Flowers, just for an example. So I'm just going to show you how to use some of these tools. So let's say I want to undo. So yeah, as you can see, it's going back. Or if I want to redo, I can go like that. If I want to change the font, I can highlight it, go to the font, and pick whichever font I would like to use. So let's say I want to use Georgia. There it is. And if I think the font is too small, I can go to here, which says size, and Gmail offers these different types of font sizes. So I'll do large. And then if I wanted to bold it, you can highlight over it and then do the B, and now it is bold. And if I want to unbold it, highlight over it and just press it again. Same thing with italics. You just go over it, and now it looks like that. If I don't want it italics anymore, same thing, highlight over it, press it again. And lastly, the same exact thing with underlining. See, it looks like that. Highlight over it and press it again. So next, if you want to be able to change the color, and as you can see, there's a ton of different colors here. We have background color and text color. So we can do the background color. Let's say we want it blue. It'll look like that. But we can't really read that. So we can also do the text color and say white. Then you can now read it. But for the most part, you're probably going to want to leave the background color alone and the text color alone when you're writing professional emails. And then right here, we have a line. So let's say I wanted this to be centered. It moves to the center. Or if I want it to go to the right, it can go all the way to the right. But for the most part, you're really just going to be having it go all the way to the left. And let's say I wanted to type her some things in a list. So let's say homework number 1. And then we have homework number 2. Or we could do bullet points. And if you don't want to change that one, so let's say we want to go over here, you just keep pressing the space bar. Now we have bullet points. So homework number 1, and then we have homework number 2. So that's what that looks like. And then we have indent less, which will look like that, and indent more, which looks like that. So it'll keep moving it all the way over to this side every time you press it. And you can do indent less, which will keep moving it all the way over here. And again, you're probably not really going to use those. And then we have quote, which, as you can see, it's just adding that line right there. It's doing the crazy text we had earlier. And then we have strike through. So if we're like, oh no, not this one though, we don't want to concentrate on that one. Strike through like that. Looks like you crossed it off. Then undo it, same thing. If you want to remove the formatting, it'll go exactly to how we had it before. So if we want all this to go back to normal, just go like that. All the formatting is gone now. I'm going to change the text size to huge so you guys can see it really good. And then the same thing, like I showed you guys with attaching files, inserting a link, emojis, all these fun ones that you guys should not be using though in your professional emails, accessing Google Drive, and inserting an image. So hopefully this made it more clear as to how to use all of the bottom options of an email. Thank you. Have a good day.